Nandito ako ngayon sa Davao International Airport. Ayan o, ito lang tao. Tahimik. Konti-konti na ang mga tao. Oh my gosh. Okay, go! See you later, Manila. Oh my gosh. See you later. Ang bilis na daw. Walang souvenir.
To all the appointments done for Doha Flight 126 after completing a proper check-in and immigration requirements, please proceed now to gate couch number 2 for your final security check and tell your flight boarding code. Once again, to all the
There we go. Pwede kang bumili sa loob. For the last check, mag-check. Here we go. Dito na ako sa loob. Daming dito area na tao. Dito area. Dito ko sa waiting area for the departure and flight going sa Manila. Kapag method. Meron pala ng biyahe paggabi. Paggabi, kagabi ang mahirap. Ito pagod. No choice. Kasi yan mo nila. Marami pa lang tao. Sumura. Tahimik ang tao. There we go. Air Asia dito. Ang daming tao. Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific. What?
Please ensure to carry all your personal belongings before proceeding.
Gate 4 pala ako. Doon ako pupunta sa gate. Ayun. Ayun din. Sa gate. Where is the gate? Punta ako ng gate. Gate 4.
For your safety and comfort, Philippine Airlines wishes to remind you that tariff regulations limit you to only one hand carry baggage per person. This luggage should not exceed a total dimension of 45 inches and weight of 7 kilograms and should be under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin. Anti-access and weight size will be intercepted and have to your final destination. To expedite boarding, please have your valid ID together with your boarding pass ready to be presented individually as a key and inspection and presented during the boarding in your aircraft. Thank you and wish you a comfortable flight.
Waiting. Ang daming tao din. Ang daming tao din. Oh my God. Wala kang maupuan. Gate 4. Ano ba tayo upo nito? Sa gate 4. Wala akong maupuan. Punong-puno. Saan ako malingkod ang punong-puno? Badgering ko rin. Punong-puno.
Calling the attention of Cebu Pacific Aircraft, so flight 53604 around 4 Mactan, Cebu.
Traffic. Waiting area. Maghihintay pa ako ng ilang minuto. Kung anong oras pa naman. Maghihintay pa. Paguraan. Maghihintay kami ng ilang minuto. Hintay ko ng ilang minuto. Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines.
Qatar Airways is pleased to invite all customers traveling on your 936 departing to Doha to board for gate number 2. Please have your boarding pass ready for inspection. Customers traveling in first class and business class are invited to board at their convenience.
Philippine Airlines. Ang daming tao. Philippine Airlines. Pangmayang. Philippine Airlines.
All remaining passengers stopping Philippine Airlines flight ER220 for Manila. Please board the aircraft at gate number 5. Once again, calling all remaining passengers Please have your boarding pass ready for its session.
Marisha po, one line lang po. Boarding pa to, kali tayo dito pa po.
All remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines flight PR2820 bound for Manila, please board the aircraft now to gate number 5. Once again, calling all remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines flight PR2820 bound for Manila, please proceed to gate number 5 and board now. All board please.
Kapag boarding late, mga size po ito sa kapag.
Kadugat.
Final call for boarding, final call for boarding for the next remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines flight PR2820 bound for Manila to Mr. Yan Kun Yang, Mr. Yang Yan Kun, Mr. Xiao Hong, Mr. Hong Xiao, Mrs. Dalisay Gapasin, Miss Vanessa Elaine Galvez. If you're wrong, please board the aircraft now through gate lounge number 5. Final call for boarding, final call for boarding for the last remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines flight PR2820 bound for Manila to
We now invite customers seated in Zone 3 to proceed for boarding. Please have your boarding pass ready for inspection.
AirAsia announces the arrival of flight Z2615 from Manila. Passengers on this flight will disembark on grade 5 domestic arrival. For the information of all departing guests of AirAsia flight Z2616 bound for Manila, your assigned aircraft has just arrived. Boarding will commence as soon as the ground servicing of the aircraft is completed. Thank you for flying Philippines AirAsia, Skytrax World as Locals Airline for 14 years running.
Hindi pa po siya. May kakapagod. Lilipat ka na. Ikaw, dito kami wait ang area.
Naman yun eh. Ito, it's 16.
small children.
Maraming
Business
tao.
class, comfort and passengers, billiard hunters, liberty, illegal holders, AFP and ticket service member board at beyond convenience. So boarding at gate lounge number 5. We are now boarding passengers on row numbers 31 to 46. Once again, economy passengers on row numbers 31 to 46, please board now. Thank you for waiting. Let's board the regional flight 326. All remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines on flight PR2824 bound for Manila, please board the aircraft now through gate lounge number 5. Once again, calling all remaining passengers of Philippine Airlines, flight PR2824 bound for Manila, please board the aircraft now through gate lounge number 5. All boarders.
There we go. Station. There we go. This is it.
Ang mga maliliit na daladalahan ay maaaring ilagay sa ilalim ng upa.
Lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
Bye, see you in Manila. Goodbye, Davao. See you soon. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Samantha. Don't forget to like and share.
Dear guests, Kabbalah, so ready for takeoff. Please switch on the reading lines. The button is located above you. Thank you.